Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is mainly for my oily skin people out there. So I know a lot of people have questions about how to get rid of oily skin or just how to help lessen the oiliness in their face. So hopefully this video is able to answer any questions that you guys may have, and if there's anything that I didn't answer in this video, please feel free to go ahead and leave me a question or a comment down below. So for my oily skin friends out there, a lot of you guys are suffering from an excessive amount of sebum production. All this means is that your skin is producing way more oil than it should. In order to help control some of that oil, you want to make sure that you're using a really good cleanser. Now, the cleanser that you want to use for oily skin is going to help bring your pH balance back to normal, which is why I swear by Image Skincare. Now, what you see me using is called the Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser. So this is a really good mild gel cleanser. A lot of people with oily skin, you will see them suffer from a lot of breakouts just because of that oil that's built up on their skin. So what you need to do is you need to get a really good cleanser that's going to help draw some of those impurities out. So because this has aloe vera in it, it's really good for hydration, moisturization, and it's really going to help calm and soothe the skin while also bringing that pH balance back to normal. One of my favorite tools to use during a facial service is my high frequency machine. One way to tell if you have oily skin is to look and see if you have large pores. High frequency is used to prevent stubborn acne, shrink large pores, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It's also used to kill any of the bacteria underneath your skin, and it's also used to kill any of the germs and any of the bumps and breakouts that you may have.